So friend, so far we discussed various concepts and tools which we are going to use for data interpretation working questions. So now we'll see actual examples given in previous exams. So they may ask questions either in table format. So we'll be seeing all the patterns. So they may give the questions in the pattern of table or paragraph or Venn diagrams or line graphs, bar diagram, pie charts, etc. So we'll discuss this pattern one by one. So I have taken all the questions from previous exam so that you will get the actual feel of the exam. And now we'll see the first pattern, so which is given in table format. So this question was taken from Union Bank of India PO exam. So in this question it is given that number of employees promoted to the post of manager in 6 different banks over the years. So number of employees promoted details are given in this table. So we have the years in the first column, 2005 to 2010. In the first row we have the banks from LMN, OP and Q. And we'll see the questions which follows. So we'll see the first question. So question 1. The question is, what is the average number of employees promoted by Bank O over all the years together? So here what is the question asked? So we are asked to find average number of employees promoted by Bank O. So in this Bank O, over all the years, we have to see all the data, add and divide by number of years. So because average is asked. So can you please, you have the data before you. So can you please pause the video for a few seconds and find the answer. So then later we'll see the working. So we'll see the working. So we'll have our working slide before us. So for Bank O, average number of employees promoted is asked over all the years from 2005 to 10. So that data is highlighted. So for Bank O, for 2005 to 2010, so add all the data and divide by 6 because we have 6 years details. So adding all, so we'll see what is the sum and then dividing by 6, we'll see what is the average. So for question 1, so the data we have is 44, 32, 42, 51, 45 and 41. So we have the 6 years data, number of employees promoted in this Bank O, adding all. So 5, 10, 15. So it is 255. So what is the sum you got? So it is 255. So now we are asked to find average. So for average, add all the data and divide by number of terms. So here we have 6 years data. So divide this 255 by 6. Now what will be the value? So 6, 4, 24, 12, 3 and 5. So 42.5 is the average number of employees promoted by Bank O over all the years, and answer is option D, 42.5. So here as average is asked, so just adding all the data for the required bank and dividing by number of terms. So we have got the average as 42.5 and the answer is option D. So we'll see the next question. So second question. The question is, what is the total number of employees who got promoted in all the banks together in the year 2008? So in this question we are asked to find total number of employees in all the banks in the year 2008. For year 2008, so we have to find the total number of employees for all the banks, LMN, OP, Q. So just total is asked. So just pause the video. So you have the data before you. So just see what will be the value. So now we'll see the working slide. So the question is to find total number of employees for this year 2008 over in all the banks. So it is highlighted in green. So the row wise working. So in this banks LM and OPQ, we have the number of employees promoted for 2008. So just adding all, we get the answer. So we'll see what will be the total. So the data given is 38, 48, 36, 51, 35 and 39. So now as just total is asked, adding all, we get the answer. So it is not average or percentage, just sum is asked, total is asked. So just adding this, so we get the values. Seven and 3, 15, 20. So what is the total number of employees promoted in this year 2008 for all the bank? So just adding this, we get 247, and the answer is option B. So number of employees in 2008 promoted in all the banks is 247. So we'll see the next question.